I never actually speak about my experience anywhere because I don't think I've had such a profound shift in one class or recognition. It's not so much a shift. The shift will find its way around. But I've had this forever since I remember. I've been struggling to work with my mom and me, and I've done lots of work. Today when we did a work like a tapping constellation, it's the first time that I recognize that I put my mother in an image, and I was not allowing myself to feel my mother because I had put her up in such an image that there was no space for her but to block herself. And this insight is so powerful for me to understand that how we put people up, or I put people up sometimes, and mostly my mother. And there was an image which I was yearning for, a mother who's all forgiving, all loving, and I did not for a minute understand or recognize that I could be exhausting her to fulfill that image, because there was no space for her in human form for me to take her, because I had some image in my head, and that there's nothing wrong in the image. But today as an adult, when I recognize that, I don't need to carry that. I agree that I had that hope and that feeling as a child. I wanted that from my mother, but as an adult I was carrying it on so much that it was rolling into other relationships of mine, and my entire life I've struggled to figure that out as an adult, and it was just unnecessary, which actually also made me realize I somehow as an adult also took the form of struggle in my life for everything. It seemed to me that I had to struggle for love, or I had to struggle for getting work started, or I had to struggle because there was so much, a neuropathway was so formed in me about fulfilling an image, and obviously an image is an image, so the struggle is so intense and everything became intense. And I think there is where I've had a sprinkle of insight, which is just enough right now. And I think that insight will flow how it has to flow. And so I really, for me it's been, and I've done lots of courses, and this was one of them where it was profound. And I don't even think profound is also really a very poetic word or something. It was just very true for me to recognize that.